So here we go. First, I want you to know anger is okay. Did you know that? Angry emotions are normal emotions. Emotions just are. They are like weather. There's always weather, right? Sometimes it's calm, and we're not really aware there is weather. Sometimes it's a hurricane, and we have no choice but to notice. It is the same with our emotions. Sometimes they're calm, and we're not aware we're actually feeling something, and sometimes they become a rage and impossible to ignore. Emotions are our barometer to what is going on in the world around us. They tell us what is happening is good for us or we hate it. The over-the-top feelings of emotions sometimes lead to expressions that hurt others or ourselves. The tools I give you here will be to express your anger in a way that does not hurt others, does not hurt yourself, and, the best part, does not get you into trouble. Some people think we control our anger, and we need to do that, they think. This usually means that we need to stuff it and not even show that we're angry. Management to some people may mean keeping their anger inside, holding anger in, or stuffing it. This form of management is like blowing a little air into a balloon each time you are frustrated, angry, mad, irritated, or annoyed. Each time you stuff your anger, you fill the balloon with a little more air. Finally, the balloon will burst, just as you may explode with anger or rage. Suddenly, you may be expressing anger in a way that hurts others and gets you into trouble. So stuffing it is not a good way to manage our anger. Some parents are concerned when their children express anger because they feel like bad parents if their children are not happy all the time. Really, their job is to give you a safe place to express your emotions. Their job is not to make you happy. Sorry, but that is true. So stuffing is bad, yelling is bad, breaking things is bad. What do you do with your anger? Good question. What do you do with your anger? Your workbook has a checklist. Things listed on this checklist are all bad for you. Choosing these ways of dealing with your anger means you're giving away your power. So if you handle your anger in any of these ways, let's get some new tools for you.